Hello everyone, Dan Henson, your local realtor here in Sarasota, Florida with Right Realty. Hey, I got a special open house for you today. Today is May 30th, 2020. I'm going to be there from 1 to 4 today. And the location is 3554 Secret Stroll Drive, right out east of the interstate on Fruitvale Road. Location's amazing, very close to Lakewood Ranch. You have 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, 2-car garage, 1,780 square feet, a saltwater pool built in 2020. The view is amazing, the location is amazing, and I'm actually going to show you on Google Maps right now where we're directly located.
Let's look at the location here of 3554 Secret Stroll. I tell you, what an amazing location. This location is very close to the beach. You can see right here on the map. You got St. Armand's right down here. You go right down Fruitvale Road. This is Lorraine Road right here. This is all those new homes in Lakewood Ranch. This is a whole new waterside area. The new Publix is right here. You got the Polo Grounds right in here. As we zoom in, you come right off the interstate. We're only about 4 minutes just to the interstate, straight out Fruitvale. And 30 minutes to the beaches. You got Sun and Fun down here. And this area is called Hidden Creek. So right out here, this location is amazing. You can actually look here with a little bit of a more view. This is the new development. If you look over here, you got Tatum Ridge Golf Course right here, Lorraine Road going out. This is all the new waterside area right here. And then going right here, you got the Polo Grounds. You got the new Publix shopping center here. It's an amazing location. This is something you guys should really check out. I'm going to be here for an open house from 1 to 4 today on 5/30. 5/30 being the date. And I'll be here from 1 to 4. And if you can't make the open house, just give me a call and we'll get you into a personal view on this home. It is listed for $399. And I tell you, the location is great. Easy access to the interstate, straight to downtown if you're working downtown. And if you want to get to the beaches, you have all kinds of ways to get there. Come down the interstate, sneak off the back ways, come through the roads. You got Siesta Key, St. Armand's, Longboat. You really have to check it out. So there's the location.
Hey, I hope you enjoyed that Google Map view. I'm going to be here from 1 to 4 today on May 30th. If you can't make it today, reach out to me. We'll make sure we get you an appointment. We'll get you inside. Until next time, you guys have a wonderful day and stay safe.